In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw cash from Temu. Before we dive in, it's important to set the right expectation. Temu isn't a wallet or a banking service, so what looks like a balance inside the app isn't cash you can move out. With that in mind, let's walk through what you can and cannot do. First, open to Temu on your device. Once you're in, you might see amounts labeled as credits, rewards, coupons, or even refunds. These amounts can feel like a cash balance, but they're not money you can withdraw. They are funds that live inside the Temu ecosystem and are meant to be used only when you purchase items in the app. Temu's official policy is very clear about this. Credits can't be converted into real money and can't be withdrawn as cash. There isn't a hidden button, a transfer menu, or a workaround that turns those credits into a payout. That also means there's no option to send your Temu credits to Gcash, to a bank account, or to any other e-wallet. If you're browsing the app and wondering where the transfer or cash out feature is, it doesn't exist because the platform doesn't support it. Think of credits and rewards like store credit or a gift card balance. They reduce what you pay at checkout, but they never turn into money you can deposit elsewhere. Even when you see the word refund inside Temu, if it shows up as a balance within the app, it follows the same rules and remains usable only for future purchases on Temu. Here are a few tips to help you get the most out of what you do have. Use your credits at checkout by making sure they're toggled on or applied when you place an order. Keep an eye on expiration dates for any promotional credits or coupons so you don't lose value. And be cautious of anyone claiming they can unlock or convert your Temu credits into cash. Those claims typically go against Temu's policy and can put your account at risk. If you ever feel unsure, review the credit and rewards details within the app's help or policy sections. You'll see the same message reinforced. Credits are for in-app purchases only and are not withdrawable. So to recap, open Temu, check your credits if you have them, and remember they function as spending power only inside Temu. There is no cash out feature and no transfer to Gcash, bank accounts, or other e-wallets. Use them at checkout to save on your next order, and you'll be using Temu exactly as intended.